Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well today and I hope you're hungry because today we'll be baking a whole chicken. First, get your chicken washed, cleaned, everything. Then mix your seasons together and we're gonna season Mr. Chicken. So put some holes so the chicken can soak better, so it can absorb the season better. So get the season all the little creases, all the little sections, because we want all of the chicken to be well seasoned and tasty. And for the seasoning, you can use the seasons of your choice. We're using Maggi, chicken, all-purpose, and we're using jerk seasoning as well. After our chicken is seasoned, we're gonna put it back into the fridge for about a week or two. Let that season soak in before we pop him into the oven. And it's time to bake. Place your chicken into your baking tin. Now we're adding some soy sauce to give our chicken color. Rub that soy sauce in. Next, we're going to cover our baking tin with some foil paper. So while the chicken is being baked, you can get enough soaking so it can sweat. Pop that in the oven and we're going to let it bake. One and a half hour later, and we're checking our chicken to see if it has been baked, if it is soft enough. And it's not yet ready, so we're going to pop it back into the oven and check again, so you will know when your chicken is baked. When one side is ready, you're going to turn the chicken on the other side and bake again for another 1.5 hours or 2, depending on the texture of your chicken. And our chicken is finally done. So now we're using some sauce. So you can prepare a sauce of your choice, or you can check out my video on how to prepare sauce, any type of sauce put on your chicken. We're gonna coat it with the sauce and pop it back into the oven for about 10 minutes, and your chicken is ready. Bon appetit!